Hi, my dear ones. This is Wasim. I hope you are doing great. I am so happy to start my videos this summer with the Pholarchos Tarot by Carmen Sorrenti. So this has been a deck that accompanied me for maybe, let's say, 4 or 5 years, and I have been reselling it through my shop in Etsy and also in CoreMagik.com. For now, it's out of stock this week officially, and we have been working on a new version with some partners from China. So I just received this new version that I wanted to share with you because it's really I'm so proud of the redesigning that we made of the box and also of the cards, even if we are still having the same cards, of course, but we reworked a bit the quality of the paper and the back of the cards and also the edges. And we know that for some, the quality of the card is really something to look for in a deck, and we understand that, so we wanted to improve the quality of the deck. So I won't say that this deck would be available in Europe or in the US yet. I just wanted to share with you the creations, and you're gonna have another one in the next video. But if you are interested, please let us know, because we are considering something similar, and we will see after we discuss it with Carmen. Anyway, so this is the new version. I have already mixed it. I have been playing with it a bit, and the quality is so beautiful. It resembles a lot the Become an Oracle deck, the velvet bit touch, and it's really like something I have been looking forward to strongly, I would say. So the deck, as you know, it is based on the dreams Carmen had, and for me it's very, very shamanic, very shamanic deck, very profound alchemical deck. And it's a it wouldn't be like the usual tarot decks you have. It has a lot of symbols, animals. I did some videos about it, and the symbols of the animals. It touches the soul. It touches the aspects that are profound within us, these archetypes that we know all. I love also the minors, where we are seeing a transformation taking place, close to our daily life, but also to that edge with the unconscious field. This card is really beautiful. When I talk about the animals and that aspect of the unconscious field, it's very, very, yeah. So it's a deck to spend time with, I wouldn't say, this looks so like Carmen, I wouldn't say that this deck is for me at least, for like very quick draws, what is the energy of the day and so on. Yes, you can do that, but for me it's a profound deck that it's necessary to spend time with it and to contemplate it and see what are the layers there. It's like every dream you had, right? You have to stay with it and see the symbols, the synchronicities also that you have with your actual life. And yeah, really, really beautiful deck. So let's see quickly which card will come for you for today. I really love this back of the cards, because the previous one used to have like a white or beige edge. Oh, let's see. Maybe just another card with circle. It's really beautiful. So we have the 10 of Wings, and we are already seeing, this is so lovely. Let's see the grand experiment of life. Too much mind, or that which is wide enough to initiate all things, find a place at the table for each. here, writing in blood and earth, trail of sparkles. So intuitively, which is very interesting, is that, talking about the table, very interesting. It feels like something on the table, something on the working process. I love also the throat chakra coming, and we have here the bird with love. So it feels like a reconciliation of the opposites. It's funny because that's what I was talking about this morning about Venus and her message at the moment to reconciliate the masculine and the feminine so that we can find harmony on earth and to live together. The real abundance is already available to us. The earth is just full abundance. So it feels as if there is this message, profound message of reconciliation. And even if we are in the 10 of wings, there is an expression of a new way of living, and the reworking of it. We have to rework it. We have to bring it to the table and not just keep it for us anymore. Feels like we have already been working on something for us, living an inner transformation, and now it has to be brought outside to the physical world, where we talk about the masculine, we talk about the manifestation. So let's see what Carmen says about this in her guidebook. So 10 of wings. The experience is now electrified in all its details and story. Eyes are open to the lucid dream of it, conscious of the fullness of this manifestation. A barrage of attack can finally stop, and the bird's heart is still beating. In the grand experiment of life, can the mind be wide enough to invite all things? Really interesting. So, again, it's constrained that belief of reconciliation of the opposites. So let's see with the trail of spirals. Oh, sparks, sorry. Just step through that small portal and meet the psycho bumps who will ferry your journeys back and forth between the worlds. Do not be afraid you travel every night. This is the way of things, and Artemisia absinthium has your back. In earth, you will be led to perseverance, sensuality, the magic of matter, protecting what you hold dear. Isn't this beautiful? So this is the Pholarchos tarot, the new version. I must admit, I really love this new version more than the first one. And let me know what you think about it. And wishing you a great, great day.